Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our here for video tutorial, and before we enter the video tutorial, we will introduction my group. Myself, my name is Enzagar Arasi, and my friend my name Muhammad Fatim Jaya, and my friend my name is Maydalan Nabilani. So we will assembly stacker. What is stacker? Stacker is tools for connect to tools other tools. Example, connector handphone, connector refrigerator, connector other tools electronic. And why me select stacker for video? Because stacker is basically of industry in electrical. Connect in industry, so needed stacker for tools electronic in industry.
Cutter, power strip, screwdriver, cable, and electrical plug.
First, open power strip using a screwdriver.
Next, open the electrical connection second.
Next, cut the cable slip using a cutter. Then unscrew the fastening screw using a screwdriver. Next, insert the cable into the electrical connector.
Then one part of the cable is insert into the fastening screw.
Tighten the screw after the cable is inserted.
Tighten the screw using a screwdriver. Then install the screw that were removed earlier. Next, open the plug using a screwdriver.
Open the cable and split it in two.
Next, unscrew the screw and insert the cable. Finally, close the plug again and tighten it using a screwdriver.
And finally, this is result for our hard work. This is stacker.